Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get SuperGlide config step by step. Start by backing up your config file, then open the glide settings and make conservative changes to sensitivity, smoothing, and interpolation. Save each version separately, test in a practice map, record frame rates and input feel, revert if stutter appears, and iterate with 1 to 5% adjustments until movement is consistently smooth and stable across sessions. Dial sensitivity slowly, then tweak smoothing and interpolation to create a natural glide without delay. Use consistent hardware and map conditions for testing to reduce variables. Record short clips and note reactions to each change, comparing side by side. If stutter follows a change, revert and try a smaller increment. Small, repeatable adjustments beat radical overhauls and make it easier to lock in a reliable, comfortable glide configuration you can trust. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support future videos. It really helps. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Grab a pair of darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty for durable comfort during long sessions. I dropped a link and other deals in the description so you can check them out. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. When things go wrong, methodically isolate the cause by reverting recent tweaks and testing again. Rule out drivers, overlays, and background apps that may drop frames. Swap to a default profile to see if the glide issue follows your config or the system, and try different maps to confirm consistency. Keep a change log so you can reproduce successes and avoid repeating mistakes. And remember that patience and small steps fix most glide problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.